Okay, so this is Puhipuhi. This is the gullies. I mean, look at that. It's a pretty cool pretty cool spot. Yeah, have a look at that. That's really awesome. There's the old horse for the day, or pig, probably. Yeah, look at that. Incredible. Incredible. But, you know, you've always got people that ruin it by dumping their shit over there. There's an old fucking sparkle. And down over here, if you want to have a sleep for the night, there's your Sealy Posturepedic.